Guys, look at this, I'm having a problem with my Rebel. I don't know if you guys can see in the video, it's quite sunny here so I cannot see. But look like I have some marks here, some burns. I'm really thinking to send my Rebel to warranty. Just because of this little detail. The odometer is working fine. Don't have any problem with it despite of this visual detail. Any of you guys that own Rebels, that are Rebel owners, do you have some problem like this? You cannot see it when you are like this, but down the sun can see it quite clearly, right? I believe you guys can see it too. I realized this on the first day, but I thought it was a sticker or something, and I'm already almost 900 kilometers and I think it's getting worse. So in the next weeks I'm backing to Honda here in the province where I live in Thailand, and I'm really thinking to ask them about this. If they can switch the odometer or need to switch the bike. I have no idea how this kind of thing works. It's the first time I will send something to warranty in a motorbike dealer, but despite of the odometer problem, I'm really happy with this bike. It's the only little detail that I can think that is wrong on this motorcycle, and that's it. Let's continue our ride here in the beach. I hope you guys enjoy. This is Laem Phim beach, and we are going to Swanson beach, that basically is around 15 to 20 kilometers from here.